Hey yo, what's up? My name is Stanley Teach and I'm here today to teach you how to play lo-fi music. Everybody now is into lo-fi music and this freaking playlist over here. Tell me in the comments if you haven't heard this playlist while studying.
I dare you. I know you did.
I'm going to teach you how to pass from this okay, boring, or something like this. Oh, damn. I just love this chord. So first things first, I will teach you how to turn your normal chords into extended chords. And after that, I will teach you some licks and spice things that you can put and some spicy that you can put in those extended chords. So first things first, these normal chords that you normally use, I bet you normally use this. If you don't, you're in the wrong video. Are normal chords with only 3 notes, the tonic, the third, and the fifth. Let's pick up the D. Let's pick up the C chord, okay? C major chord, okay? Campfire chord, like I always call it. This is a C chord. It only has the tonic, the C, that is the C. The third, it's an E, and the fifth, it's a G, okay? But you're playing 5 strings. How? You only have 3 notes. Because there are duplicates, okay? This is a C chord, this is a C note, this is also a C note, okay? And there are a bunch of duplicates here. So, first things first, I will teach you how to turn these chords into extended chords. So let's pick up this shape of C, okay? Normal chord, okay? 7th chord. What happened? 3 notes. Now we have 4 notes. We have the tonic, the third, the fifth, and the 7th, okay? Now we have a B. We have a C, E, G, and a B. Tasty, really tasty. Okay? Now we're going to do an C major 9. Okay? Now we have the C, the E, the G, the B, and we have the 9th note, okay? Oh, damn! Yeah, it sounds really good. I don't know, I'm just in love with this type of chords. One other chord that you can do, imagine if you are in the 6th string. How do you do this C major 7? You're not going to go like this, you're going to play it like this, okay? It's another sound, look. See? Lots of chords you can play. Let's try minor chords, okay? Minor chords. This is a normal C minor chord, okay? Okay? Let's turn this chord into a minor 7 chord. The only thing you have to do is take your pinky off. Okay? Not as fun as a D minor 9. Oh, so jazzy. Damn, boy. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to my channel if you want to be my friend. So this sounds really good. Really good. So let's try if you're doing a minor chord over here. Imagine if you have the C minor here. Okay? To do a C minor 7, you take your pinky off. Okay? Sounds nice, doesn't it? And this is a C minor 11. Really dreamy. Okay? This here is a C minor 13. You're putting the 13th note over here in your pinky. Okay? This is a C13. And this here is a C flat 13. Okay? I'm going to teach you some cool progression that you can do using these chords, okay? This is the first one. Let's start in the C major 7 chord. B flat 13. E minor 9. A 13. Oh, tasty. Okay, this is used in many songs. So this is another cool progression I like to do, is a C minor 9, and then you go for a G minor 11. One cool thing that I actually like to do a lot of this type of songs is the use of diminished chords, okay? And I'm not a god in theory, in music theory, so I memorize it, how this works. So if you do a C minor 7 chord, you have a diminished shape over here. That sounds nice, so I memorize it. That you have here. Okay, so this progression is really cool, I like to do. You have C minor 9, A diminish, and then you go for G minor 7. So playing these progressions is really cool, but also you can play some licks inside the chords, okay? So I'm going to teach you cool ways. So if you're playing a if you're playing a C major chord, C major 7, you can use these notes, okay? So I'm playing melody inside the chord. So this is a cool way to spice your chords up. So let's find a chord that's okay, we're doing a major. Okay, so this is just a C major 7. Okay, and then you go for this F major 7, okay? And after you do the second loop, a cool thing that you can do is switch this one, swap this one with this F major here. Okay, I think you learned it. Now with the rhythm on Lofi, you have a lot of pulling and plucking and hitting and plucking and pluting. So you have 3 sounds that you can make in the chords. You can pull the strings and hit it like a punch. Okay. Other thing is do arpeggiating the strings. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Any questions you can ask me on Instagram. My Instagram is TennyTeach. So have fun, subscribe to my channel. So have fun and enjoy life. Goodbye. See ya.